Minasan, konnichiwa, everyone. Okay, so maybe this is my first Nendoroid. My first collection is 416 from Girls Frontline, and the code number is 1146. Let's check out the box detail from the side to side, and also let's check out now. Okay, here it is. Wow, sugoi. There's the manual book. Alright, let's take out the figures and the more accessories in this box. Wow, we got the 5 arms on the accessory. We got her gun, the figure, the exploding effect, and her 2 face model. The base plate, her heads, and her, I guess it's her back. Alright, let's take out the figure first. Okay, the figure is pretty comfortable when touch it. Her hair detail just same as the game, and kinda is something very let's take out the plastic bag on her neck and her dress. Okay, now we can pull out the head. So let's pull the plastic. Okay, here we go. As we can see, with the figure with the fur, I guess assume she cannot standing with more purple because her hair is so too big, and that's her body is too small and cannot stand along with more balance, I guess. See, sometimes I want to fix it but cannot stand with the more balance. Now we're gonna take a look the more accessories. That's her weapon or gun. We call it the headscape 416. Pretty nice detail on the game. Let's try it. Wow, that's the sound effect. I guess I can make it. But that's, by the way, that sound was AK, so maybe I don't have the more sound of the guns. Now let's take a look the face. These have the angry face, or she is still a man, I guess, if you call her was a scam for. And this is where she really belong with you. Let's take a look more accessories. This is the grenade launcher accessory of the bomb effect, and this is the 40mm of the grenade launcher ammunition. Let's take more detail. Okay, and just like this, boom. Okay. Now we take the lot more arms, her back, her heads, and the base plate. Now let's take a look the heads first. The heads is pretty nice. Oh, and there's a logo as the same with the game design character. Alright, let's put on her top of the head. So I thought it gonna be magnet. Sometimes I thought it was magnet and it just not connected. But you must be more replace it more careful. Alright, this is the base plate for the Nendoroid stand, and also have the many holes around here. And this is the external net if you have a extend one more, or maybe another one is broken, so you can extend. This is the grenade launcher stand and the figure stand. Oh my god, kawaii desu. Oh my god, she looks cute more in my imagination with her smile or her. This is the stand. And let's we take a look at the arms. This is the left arms with the logos, the Germany flag country symbol. Okay. Here's some her fingers, so you can remove it. And this is the, you can connect again if you want. Okay. Now take a look at her back. This is the hole, and the detail is pretty nice as the same with the games. Let's and then this is the figure that which is I change it now, or swipe it now. It's pretty nice with her back now. So here is I connect with the hole that which is on her dress. That's something that can connect her on her back. Okay. Oops, why her angry?
Commander.
Oops, I thought she was angry. Oh no. The detail just, she can touch with on her body with the fully good gear and the equipment, her gun.
Yuna, 好きか?
Okay, that's it all guys. So maybe see you soon. Let's retake the most photo shoot.